What's up guys? So, as I told you in my previous video that Harmony operating system is getting really popular inside of China, and still it's not available in the international market, so we have to wait to see the response there as well. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's get start the video. So, right now, it's getting a lot of attention in China, because people are loving it, as well as some big Chinese companies. And ever since Huawei launched the Harmony operating system, one question has been constant: will other smartphone manufacturers will use this system? Well, the answer is obviously yes, and it seems now it's getting bigger because, after Meizu, another big mobile company called 𝗛𝗵𝗺 announced that they will use Harmony operating system in its smartphones. Moreover, China's largest telecom operator, China Mobile, is also about to launch a new smartphone brand, Zone, and its first 5G smartphone lineup, and Zone S7, which will launch on June 22nd. Anyway, more interestingly, a well-known Weibo tipster reveals that the Zone S7 series will have a pre-installed Harmony operating system. Still, there is no official confirmation available on this matter, but we are just a few days away from getting it confirmed from the company itself. Also, Chinese companies now started to adopt Harmony operating system in their smartphones, which is a really great news. So with that said, in the meantime though, the Chinese tech maker is also releasing new smart products from third-party manufacturers powered by Harmony operating system. So, these products come in different categories, including smart home appliance, as well as consumer devices. Also, a company named Midea launched 12 different products equipped Harmony operating system. Anyway, Harmony operating system is surely expanding its hands in the industry, and on different platforms. Huawei is also working hard to promote Harmony operating system among the industry partners, and stretching every inch of efforts to make third-party smartphone makers ready to use Harmony operating system on their devices, just to keep the ecosystem bigger and better to compete with a big competitor available in the market. So, definitely the company is working really fast to make its operating system more popular. By the way, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is expected to offer a number of camera improvements over its predecessors, which included a sensor shift stabilization system, a continuous periscope zoom camera aka variable zoom lens, and the under-display camera technology. But, turns out, Samsung might skip this tech and launch the Galaxy S22 Ultra without the under-display camera. Anyway, according to a Korean website Naver, inside sources have told them that the company is facing quality and yield issues. The company was not satisfied with the image quality, and they are facing trouble manufacturing the components to be equipped in millions of Galaxy S22 units, thus forcing Samsung to ditch the tech on the upcoming Galaxy S22 smartphones. Also, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will have an under-display camera, which might raise some questions that, if the tech is ready for the Z Fold 3, then why not for the Galaxy S22 Ultra? Well, like I've said, the main problem here is the manufacturing. I mean, the Galaxy S series sells in tens of millions. Samsung is expecting to sell a couple of 100,000 units of the Z Fold 3 this year. That's a day and night difference, and thus easier for them to keep up with the yield rates for the foldable. Also, the Z Fold 3 has two front cameras, so if a user is not satisfied with the under-display camera quality, then he has the option to fall back on the camera of the cover display. Unfortunately, the Galaxy S22 Ultra does not have that luxury, so it's no surprise that Samsung does not want to risk it with their most important flagship line. But there's some good news as well. The report says Samsung will take its time to perfect its under-display camera to ensure it is not visible, and that photo quality is up to standard. The source also says that the Galaxy Note 22 will debut this technology in normal Samsung smartphones. A few days ago, we got to know that Samsung is bringing back the Note lineup because their experiment with the S21 Ultra failed. Not only the phone failed to meet their sales expectation, but the S Pen didn't see sales numbers that is considered good. Anyway, a few days ago, the specifications of the Snapdragon 895 were revealed. This chipset will go inside the Galaxy S22 lineup in the US, Canada, and China. It was revealed that the chipset will be made on a 4nm process, and it was thought that TSMC will make it for Qualcomm. Moreover, Samsung will also manufacture their own Exynos 2200 chipset on 4nm nodes as well. Anyway, that's all the latest news. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I fuck it up. So appreciate I could pick it up. Heading on the way, don't you know I'm on?